Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox Nintendo Switch OLED model. First, let's take a look in the back. Tabletop mode, TV mode, handheld mode. And these are the accessories that come with it. This is a 7-inch screen, 64GB system memory. And let's open it. So if you want to open it, you have to turn it around. See this little lock key? Just open it up. Then flip it again. To just unlock it. Looks like they give us some information about the light and other stuff. Let me keep that aside. Now, here is the main thing. The screen itself is 7-inch OLED screen. So as you can see here, there is the on, power button, volume buttons. Here is the game card, headphone jack, and then the charging and 2 more headphone jacks down here. Then if you turn around, if you open the middle bit, you can find the micro SD card for more storage. And this is also the stand. Let me keep this aside. And here are the Joy-Con controllers. This is the red one, the neon red. I picked the neon version because I don't want to get stains on the white one. I'm going to keep the red one, neon red, aside. And now for the neon blue. We have the neon blue here, the controllers. Okay, now let's go down. Here is the docking system. Bubble wrap on top. And then the dock itself. So this is where you put in your Nintendo to put it on TV or just charging it. Now this just comes off, unlike the old model where it comes off like that. Now here we have the AC adapter, HDMI, and LAN port. I'm going to put this back on and move this aside. How do I put it back on? Okay, there we go. And now we have, if I'm pretty sure, this is the charger. Here is the charger. So you put this on the power socket, and then you can either put this in your Nintendo or on the dock itself. Now we have the Joy-Con straps. We have, so it looks like they put plus and minus for the Joy-Cons, and they also have it like this. They have on both sides. And now we have the Nintendo HDMI cable to put it on your TV and on your dock. And then we've got the grip controller. You can put your Nintendo's Joy-Con controllers over here, so let me just grab them and the click. Now you can play. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.